Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about two important AI tool which will be very helpful for us to reduce plagiarism in our research paper. So whenever your paper is subjected to plagiarism, you have to rewrite the content. That is very important. So you may use different AI tools like 𝐸𝐴𝐵, that is paraphrasing tools like 𝐸𝐴𝐵, and also you can use ChatGPT and any of the chatbot to rewrite your content. So even after rewriting your content, some sentences may subject to plagiarism. So in order to change that sentences may have a key meaning of your research paper. So in order to shuffle or change that particular sentences, you need a perfect rewriter. So that gives a perfect meaning for your research, and also it won't show plagiarism while checking. So it will give a suitable meaning. That meaning will be valuable so for every words and sentences in that research paper. So in that intent, we are going to discuss about two important AI tools which will be very helpful for us to rewrite the content. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tools. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of it using different types of research prompts. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the first AI rewriter tool what we are going to discuss is the sentence rewriter. So here you can see that. So rewrite your sentences with our AI sentence rewriter to make your content more readable. This sentence rewriting tool is simple solution for paraphrasing your sentences. Try now to rewrite sentences for free. That is very important. It is a free AI tool, so you can rewrite the sentence. So here what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste a plagiarized content. So this is the sentence I want to rewrite. So here this sentence is taken from Wikipedia. So here you can see there are three different options are available: standard, formal and fluency. So before going to rewrite, so you can check that content for plagiarism. So in order to do so, I am going to use some free plagiarism checker. So here free plagiarism checker software. So here you can see there are different options are available for us. Plagiarism checker free, it's a free plagiarism checker software. So and also you can use this duplicate checker. It is also a free plagiarism checker software. So just I am going to click this plagiarism checker free. So it will lead to a dashboard like this here. So here in this you can check for plagiarism. So click plagiarism checker. So here enter the content to check for plagiarism. So click here and then you can go for this check plagiarism option. So it will take several seconds to generate our content. So let us see how much amount of plagiarism it will show. Here you can see that it shows that 50% plagiarized content and 50% unique content. So it is showing like this. So next we can go with some other software, that is free plagiarism checker software, duplicate checker. So go to the duplicate checker. So here what you can do is you can copy and paste the content again. So and then what you can do is click check for plagiarism. So here it is also showing the same, that 50% is plagiarized content and 50% is unique content. So like that it is showing. So both of the plagiarism checking software is showing like that only, 50% plagiarism and 50% AI generate that is unique content. So after that what you can do is go to that plagiarism checker software, sentence rewriter again. So now you can rewrite your sentences. I am going to give it as a standard only. So if you want, you can give it as a formal also. So here you can see that. So this is the content generated after plagiarism. So copy the content, that is content generated after paraphrased. So we will check it for plagiarism again. So go to that plagiarism checker software again. So copy and paste the content. So and then again check for plagiarism. So here you can see that the result show that it is a 100% unique content. So like that you can use this sentence rewriter to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So you can check with another that is plagiarism checking software also. So this is how you have to use this free rewriter to rewrite your content and paraphrase your content. So the important thing is that you can use up to 200 words. So up to 200 words you can use, that is you can copy and paste that is the sentence to be rewritten. So the important thing while rewriting is that, so you can paste that is copy and paste only few words. I can suggest that you can copy and paste around 100 words, that itself enough. Then your the probability of reduction of plagiarism will be better when you paraphrase 100 words. So if you copy and pasted a big paragraph or 200-300 words, so you must give a better prompt to rewrite the content, or else if you using this kind of rewriting software means it will just rewrite but it won't reduce more plagiarism. So you can use this option, that is you can copy and paste around 100 words, that will give best result for you. So this is the first sentence rewriter. So this will help you to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So next, moving on to our next tool. So this is the rewrite option. So here also you can copy and paste the content and that content can be rewritten. So here, in order to explore this one, so I am going to do the same again. So go copy and paste the content here. So after that, so click on rewrite. So here you can see you can use the characters up to 1000. So here you can see that this is the rewritten content. So again copy this rewritten content, go to that, we will explore with that another, that is Plagiarism Checker free plagiarism checking software. So here I am going to enter the paraphrased content. So after that you can click check for plagiarism. So it will take several seconds to generate our content. So here you can see that, so after paraphrased, after rewritten, so it will showing that it is 100% unique. So like that you can make use of this option to generate a better content for your research paper, plagiarism free content for your research paper. So make use of this option, so to make your research paper writing simple. So this sentence rewriter is you can avail it for free. So as far as this rewriting option is concerned, so you can use this also for free, so up to a limit. So but it is not specified any policies or any pricing options. So up to that you can use it for free only. So both these rewriting tools are free rewriting tools, so to make your sentences in your research paper unique and plagiarism free. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.